welcome back to our channel. In today's IELTS lesson, I am going to tell you how to use the official IELTS answer sheet for writing. I'm going to tell you why you should practice using it and how to fill it in. Now right here I have the official IELTS writing answer sheet. Now why I recommend for you to use it is because as you can see there are lines right here and also at the back of the paper. So if you practice using this sheet while you're practicing at home, what it's going to do is it's going to give you a little estimate of how many lines you're going to use for your actual IELTS writing. Now why that is important? Because when you are actually writing for your exam, for your IELTS exam, during the actual exam, you will not have the time to count every word. So it is nice to know how many lines you use to complete a certain word limit. Now for task 1, you need to at least write 150 words. You can exceed to 180, and for task 2, you need to have a minimum of 250. Now word count estimation is very important. As I said earlier, if you practice using the answer sheet at home, you are going to know how many words fit in how many lines, and it is going to become easier when you are in the actual IELTS examination hall. Now practice writing, handwriting and using lines. I've mentioned and stressed enough on using the lines already. Now handwriting. Handwriting is something very important when it comes to IELTS writing. A lot of times a student's writing is illegible. Me, myself, I type a lot and I have a very horrible handwriting. So please be sure to work on your handwriting, because if the examiner cannot read your handwriting, it is automatically a low band score. Please be legible. Avoid surprises. Now it is very important for you to be familiar with this writing answer sheet so that you are not surprised to see a sheet like this with limited lines while you're giving your IELTS writing examination. So please get familiar with this. You need to fill these 5 things in the front of your IELTS writing sheet. Now the first one is candidate name, that is obviously your name, your full name, candidate number, center number. Now the center is going to provide you with that number. And then you need to choose one, whether it's an academic or a general IELTS exam. Remember, there's 2 IELTS exams. Please be sure which one are you taking and tick the correct box. Now at the back of the IELTS answer sheet, there are criteria given and it says official use only. Now you do not need to pay attention to this, as this is only for the examiner's use, and he is going to give you your band score and your marks right here. Thank you for watching. That was all for today's lesson. Keep watching.